Today I'm going to show you how to assign different priorities to different members as well as tasks in Jira. So you can do this manually, and that's fine. If you want to assign priorities manually, that's great. But if you want to save time, let's go over to spaces and let's choose one of the spaces which we can start assigning priority levels to. Okay. Now, what you can actually do here is right over here, we can see that this is our priority column. And if you can't see this like this, make sure that right over here at the top, you're on a list view, and you'll be able to see the priority. You can also see it in the board view. You can see it in the calendar view, timeline, pages, but the list view is nice to be able to see sort of everything like this. Okay. So go ahead and click on priority. You'll see there's highest, high, low, and lowest. You can actually also add in priorities here, but for now, that's pretty good. So click on it and you'll be able to actually change the priority itself. Okay. Now, let's say you want to automate this. Let's do it like this. Right over here in the list view, you'll find this colorful bar, and this is Rovo AI. So let's type in make all tasks with up to 5 days from the start date to due date medium priority, make all the tasks with more than 5 days low priority, and make all tasks with less than 5 days high priority. Of course, you can change this how you want to change this. You can make sure that certain team members only have high priority tasks. Certain team members may only have low priority tasks. You can change the rules. You can make the rules. Go ahead, click on go. This will now all be done for you quickly and easily. So go ahead, type in whatever rule it is that you'd like to go ahead and do, and you can create that rule.